I'm currently doing some work on Afterglow version 5. Afterglow is my collection of studio lighting presets for Blender, which includes things like this environment and more refined studio cages, which are designed for individual subjects to focus. But at the moment, I've got this character bust made by Emiliano Colantoni. It's sitting inside of Studio Environment 7, and I'm just doing a bit of a lighting test. So I've got two rings here, and if I make both of them visible to the camera, you can see that they are producing light on one side and then fading off slightly. They are parented to a empty object, which acts as a camera pivot in the center of the bust, and you notice that the camera is also a child of that object. If I go into the rendered view, we can see that as I rotate the empty, then we're getting quite excellent lighting around the character bust, which looks good no matter what the angle is, because the rings are staying constant from our position, and we're still getting the background environmental context coming through as well. That background, by the way, can also be modified. So if I select the material for the ceiling light, I can do anything to it. So I can actually change the gradient, make it spherical if I wanted. So we can do a layering pattern that way, or I can even put an image texture into it. And that could be anything. So I can import like a 2:1 aspect ratio image, which will be affecting the character in the scene. With some subtle material adjustments, it may even be visible in the reflections of the objects, depending on how you set them up. So there's a lot of power to it. It's always fun experimenting with the different combinations of things you can make. So everything I've shown you so far is available in Afterglow at the moment, which is available on Gumroad and Superhive, but I'm currently making more variations for things like lighting textures, hopefully new studio scenes, and there's a whole bunch more I want to make. This specific character bust file by Emiliano is available on the Blender website because they have demo files you can download. So hopefully you found this interesting. I'm going to get back to experimenting. Feel free to follow for updates.